Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 1.2.1 Audio Only and Video Only Pre-Recorded. In this video, we'll show you how to run the automated checks and walk through how to identify and test multimedia content for accessibility. Let's jump in. First, let's take a look at the automated checks. RAMP automatically scans your web page and flags any violations related to pre-recorded audio-only and video-only content. You'll see any relevant scan results here, review them, and add remediation tasks where applicable. Now let's manually test for audio-only content. This could be something like a podcast or other recorded audio without video. Here's what to do. Analyze the page to identify any audio-only media. If you find any, check whether a text alternative such as a transcript is provided on the page. If an audio-only file does not have a transcript available, add a failure instance. Next, we'll test for our video-only content. For example, a silent video or animation without audio. Here are the steps. Analyze the page to identify any video-only media. If video-only content is present, confirm whether a text transcript or audio description is available to provide equivalent information. If there's no transcript or audio description available, add a failure. And that wraps up testing for Success Criterion 1.2.1 using RAMP's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Whether you're working with audio-only or video-only content, these steps help ensure the content is accessible for all users.
Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.